actually send my students a document toward the beginning of class that's just, here's how to study. And I focus it around when and where and how. And the when and the where, these are actionable study tips. Find a place that you go to study. When it's time to get down to the nitty-gritty and actually do the work and put in the work, I want them to go someplace that is their LSAT study zone. So what I always encourage people to do is to find some time in the morning, even if you're not a morning person, but find some time in the morning before your day has started, before you have a bunch of concerns and worries. Just those two things are gonna help students retain more information and learn better and eventually do better on the test. The big thing that I try to focus students' attention on in practice outside of class and when they're studying is to always be reviewing and reflecting their performance. I need students to be curious about what they're doing and digging into explanations and really understanding how the test works in order to see where they can improve, to see how they can change their behavior and eventually see that score start to go up. So if I could say just one thing to a student before they walked into to their test, I would say, I am jealous of you. I'm envious of you. And that's probably gonna throw them off. Maybe I shouldn't say that if that's too weird to hear. But the reason why I would say something like that to a student, the reason why I would try to communicate that to a student is because there are so few opportunities in life where there's a very clear moment you can show your stuff. And I'd say, look, I'm jealous of you because you have an opportunity right now, today, to go show off all of this hard work that you've put in, all of this preparation that you've put in. You're ready to take this test. Go crush that thing and show everybody how much you know and how good you are at this thing. And that's exciting. That should be an awesome feeling that you have this opportunity to do that. And the fact that you're getting ready to walk into that testing facility and do that, I'm jealous of you. That's awesome. And I wish I were in your shoes.